Let's make this show-stopping lasagna roll-ups with truffle cream for that prettiest centerpiece at your Thanksgiving dinner. For a lasagna filling, we will make an effortless spinach ricotta filling. Saute some garlic, add in some chopped spinach and spices and let this come together. Fold this with some ricotta, parm, mozzarella and basil and our filling is ready. Boil some lasagna sheets till they are al dente. And we will spread an even layer of our spinach ricotta filling on top. Place another lasagna sheet on top and finish with a layer of smoky red bell pepper paste and a sprinkle of mozzarella for that extra cheesiness. Here I am using some store-bought red bell pepper paste, but you can sub this for any spread that is easily available to you. Tightly roll them into pinwheels and slice into half so they are not too tall. Place a layer of marinara at the bottom of our baking dish, followed by the lasagna roll-ups. Make sure not to overcrowd this and bake this until cooked. For our truffle cream, we will whip some mascarpone, ricotta, truffle oil along with a splash of heavy cream and some black pepper. Finish with dollop of this fresh and airy truffle cream and some fresh basil, and these lasagna roll-ups are ready to impress this holiday season. Head over to my blog for more detailed recipe and enjoy.